Morning students. Today we will discuss about the electrochemical series of metals. These metals will be forming as the cations. What are cations? If an atom loses the electrons and forms as the positive ion, then it is called as a cation. That means the metals will be formed as cations. Based on the ease with which atoms of metals lose electrons to form positively charged ions, the metals are arranged in a series known as electrochemical series. That means in what way they are losing these electrons and forming as the positive charge, and that means either they are losing the electrons easily or with some difficulty. Depending upon it, if the elements are arranged in a series, those are known as electrochemical series of the metals. Let us see here the electrochemical series. See the metals, that is potassium, calcium, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, zinc, iron, nickel, stannous, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, silver, gold, platinum. This is the series, how they are arranged, this electrochemical series. And these cations, they will be forming as the cations. How the cations will be formed? By losing the electrons from the neutral atom. See here, the potassium has lost one electron and formed as K plus. And calcium lost 2 electrons and formed as Ca2 plus. Sodium lost 1 electron. Magnesium lost 2 electrons. Aluminium lost 3 electrons. Zinc 2 electrons. Iron 3 electrons. Nickel 2 electrons. This is stannum lost 4 electrons. Lead lost 2 electrons. Hydrogen lost 1 electron. And copper 2. Mercury 2. Silver 1. Aurum, that is gold, is 3, and platinum lost 4 electrons, and they have formed as the cations. And cations are discharged at cathode by gain of electrons. That means these cations will be discharged at the cathode. Okay, then this is the increasing ease of discharge at cathode. That means how the elements are formed at the cathode. Understand, children? Let us see how these elements will be formed or discharged at the different electrodes. In what way? Understand? See here. Higher position metal displaces lower position metal. For example, if we take the example of potassium and platinum, and the platinum will be displaced by potassium, but potassium's place will not be displaced by the platinum. Understand? Platinum's place can be displaced by potassium, but potassium's place cannot be displaced by platinum. Then metals below hydrogen cannot displace hydrogen from acids, while those above it can. Let us see the example. Zinc will take reaction with sulfuric acid and forms as zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. But this zinc is above the hydrogen in the series. But if you go for copper, copper is below the hydrogen in the series. So that this copper cannot displace the hydrogen's place in this acid. Then the next one. Lower elements discharge more easily at cathode because their cations can easily gain electrons. So the elements which are present in the lower series, these lower elements discharge more easily at the cathode. That means these elements will be going more quickly towards the cathode. Then because these will be forming the cations very easily, these will gain get the cations, these will lose the electrons, and afterwards in the same way, however they are losing the electrons, in the same way they will easily gain the electrons also. Element which form their ions most easily will accept the electrons back to form the atoms with greatest difficulty only. For example, here these are the elements which are present above the hydrogen are more reactive elements. These will lose the electrons very easily but cannot gain the electrons very easily. Losing is easy for them, but it is difficult for them to accept the electrons. That's why the elements which are present below in the activity series will accept the electrons very easily. Hydrogen has some properties of metals. That is, it can easily lose the electrons as if like metals. That's why this is placed along in the metals in the series. Understand? Now let us